ShareASale tutorial for newbies. Hey, have you heard about this thing called ShareASale? It's really pretty amazing. You can actually put your products there and other people send traffic and get paid and you get more sales, or if you want, you can just find products there, send business there, and you get paid off the products they sell. In this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, and we're starting right now. Hey, don't forget before we get started here to subscribe to this channel. Hit that big button down there, and don't forget also bell notifications. Ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that you are notified as soon as I do a new video. You don't have to go looking for them. You'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group who gets notified as soon as I do one of these videos. Okay, let's jump right into this. You know, affiliate marketing is really booming. They say by 2021 it will be a $6.8 billion market. It seems like more and more brands are now using affiliate marketing, and I want to tell you the story about how I got involved in ShareASale, and I sell my products on there now. But first, let me tell you how to use ShareASale so you can make money whether you have products or not. First off, let's talk about affiliate marketing, because that's what ShareASale is and so many of these other sites. Affiliate marketing is basically somebody recommending or sending somebody to a landing page, a sales page, and for that referral they get a commission. It's something you can do too, and it's really quite simple. What's going to happen is a customer lands on your page. You as an affiliate, you have a link on that page. They click that link, they go to a product such as maybe my survival food. If they buy that product, I then pay a commission to that affiliate, but it's done through an affiliate site, so I don't have to deal with it. The affiliate site deals with it. The affiliate doesn't have to try to collect the money because the affiliate site pays them, and we're all happy. And it's really pretty simple. I mean, it sounds complicated, but what's happening is the customer is clicking on a particular link that identifies that affiliate, so that when they come to my site and they actually buy something, it's identified as that affiliate who sent the customer there. ShareASale grabs that information, says, hey, you got a sale here, and that commission is then paid out to the affiliate, and neither one of us had to do anything more. Now let's go through some of the terminology used in affiliate marketing. First off, the advertiser. The advertiser is generally the person who owns the product. It can also be called as the merchant or the brand, something along those lines. The next term you're going to hear is publisher. Now the publisher is the person or company who actually promotes and gets that particular product sold. Now this person can be somebody who has a blog or a website or post videos on YouTube. I know I post videos on YouTube, and if you look down in the description here, you'll see links to Amazon because I'm an affiliate for Amazon. Now the next thing you're going to hear, and that's what ShareASale is an affiliate network. An affiliate network is that intermediary company that brings the seller together along with the affiliate and makes it all happen. And of course the last term we all know, the customer. The customer is so important because they're the one who actually buy the product. Now the other thing you're going to hear about is the affiliate program, and basically the affiliate program is how all this is set up through one of these affiliate networks. And the affiliate program, I may say I want to pay out 5% or 10% or whatever I decide, and that affiliate network will take care of all that. The next thing you're going to hear about is affiliate tracking. Affiliate tracking is basically that code that tells the affiliate network who to pay and how much to pay. There are two basic ways to start affiliate marketing. Number one, you can start from scratch. Okay, start right off from scratch from the very beginning. The next thing you can do is, if you already have a product or service, you can become an affiliate or offer other affiliates to buy your product or service. So for example, we have a company that sells survival food. Now we joined ShareASale, and ShareASale actually will send business to my company through these affiliates. So what I've done is I've added that to my stream of income. The other thing I can do, of course, is I can be an affiliate, which I am. I just mentioned in the description below there are links down there that take you back to Amazon, and when you buy one of those products I get a small commission. Now what's really important is that you find a niche. Too many people try to go in 4 or 5 different directions. I was just reading one of my comments on my videos this morning, and I asked somebody what they sold, and they said they sold dog beds, and they sold vitamins, and they sold exercise equipment, and they sold skin cream, and they sold clothing, and they sold hats and t-shirts. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you have no niche. you have no niche whatsoever. So what I would tell you in the beginning is you got to get a niche, you got to get a direction that you're going to, you've got to have an area of expertise. Now I want you to think of it this way. First off, what are people interested in? What do you know about? Okay, so you want to figure out what people are interested in and what you know about. What are you passionate about? What would you like to maybe learn about? Even if you don't have that much knowledge yet, you can certainly learn about anything. Next thing I would warn you against is it evergreen. You'll see a lot of products come out, everything from the pet rock to the fidget spinner, and it's sold, but it's sold for a short period of time, and then those people were scrambling to find something else. And of course, if you're going to be an affiliate, you want to know if there's an affiliate network for that particular product or for that particular niche. If there isn't, it's not going to do you any good, because you need that affiliate network. And of course, the last thing is it going to be profitable? Can you make money doing this? If you're going to be an affiliate and you're going to buy traffic and send it to a site and try to sell somebody's product, you got to make sure that you make more money than you spend. Just simple economics. Now a great place to start is Google Trends. See what's trending, see what's going up or at least remaining steady. You don't want to catch something on the downturn. You want to make sure that it's either steadily going up or it's at least even. Once you've done this and you found this niche, you've got to go out there and see if there's products that are available to sell to that niche. You got to have the products, and they have to be available through an affiliate network. Now you can do something simple like go to Google and type in your niche, let's say survival food, and then add affiliate program to that. Once you do that, you'll see what affiliate programs there are out there. You may ask yourself, well, how do I become an affiliate marketer? It's really quite easy. Now this video is about ShareASale, and basically all you have to do is go to ShareASale's website, sign up to be an affiliate, find the products you want to promote, and you're off and running. Now the next question I almost always get is, how much money am I going to make? You can't answer that question. It's not possible to answer that question. It's not possible to answer it because it depends on how much effort you put forth in it. It depends on what niche you pick. I will tell you that according to business.com, the average income for an affiliate marketer is $62,327 a year, which is not bad. But I know you're not going to be average, right? You're going to be better than average, and you're going to earn even more than that. There are people that earn in the millions of dollars a year being affiliates. What is really so exciting about this is there's really no cap to it. As soon as you find some products that work, you can go out and find more products and more products and more products, and once you get a few ads that are turning profitable, you can add more and more ads. So it's something you can build on over the years. Now let's talk about ShareASale for a second. They were founded in 2000, so they've been around for 20 years now. They're really established with partners, they're established with affiliates, and they're a good place to start. And it's a place where you don't have to worry about the payouts and when you're going to get them. They take care of all that for you. Now I promised you I would tell you how I got involved with ShareASale, and you know, I knew about it for years, and I'm involved with ClickBank, and I'm involved with Amazon and different websites. But I had somebody working on my site the other day in India, and he's a really intelligent guy, and he did a great job, and he says, why aren't you on ShareASale? And I said, oh, I had heard about that. It just seems like a lot of trouble. And he says, no, all you got to do is go fill out these forms and go fill out these things, and you can start getting business. And I thought, well, what's the odds of me getting any business? But I went ahead and did it. I went ahead and filled out all this stuff, and I had to put on there, you know, my logo. I had to put my website, and I really didn't put any tools in there yet, and I still haven't, which are like banners and ads and all those things. I need to get those things going. But I put my website there, and I put my logo there, and within hours, literally, I had a $797 sale. And I thought, wow, you know, that's great. But I also thought to myself, you know, for the past 10 years I could have been doing this and getting traffic to my site and making money. But the bottom line of the story is, you know, you want to always learn, and ShareASale had been around. I hadn't investigated. I knew it was there, and I'll do something else. But it's a great way to start, guys. Whether you have a product and you want to find affiliates to sell your product, or you're in a position where you have no products whatsoever and you just want to be an affiliate and send traffic, ShareASale is a great place to start. I'll put a link in the description below how you can sign up for ShareASale. I really appreciate you watching this video. I didn't mention it, but I do have a $97 course you can grab absolutely free. I'm going to put a link in the description of that. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Don't forget to what? Turn on the bell, turn on all notifications. Make sure you turn on all notifications so that when I do a new video, you can be advised of this. You'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that finds out about these videos before anybody else does. Very cool stuff. Now put your comments below about ShareASale. Have you had any experience with ShareASale? Have you ever done any affiliate marketing? If you have and you were successful, put it below so other people can learn from it. If you have questions about that, put that below too. I love to get your comments. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.